A bright and confident smile is something that many people want, and it's completely understandable. Over the years, teeth straightening has moved well beyond traditional metal braces. Today, there are clear aligners, hidden braces, ceramic systems, and increasingly at-home teeth straightening kits advertised online. But with more choice comes more confusion. I'm Dr. Donovan, a medical doctor with over 10 years of clinical experience, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the main teeth straightening options, explain how teeth actually move, talk honestly about the pros and cons of each approach, and crucially explain how to protect yourself from unsafe or inappropriate treatments, because not everything that looks good in an advert is necessarily good for your teeth. So before we compare options, it does help to understand briefly how teeth straightening works at all. Teeth don't move because they're forced into place. They move because gentle, controlled pressure triggers a biological process in the jawbone. When orthodontic pressure is applied using braces or aligners, bone is slowly broken down on one side of the tooth and rebuilt on the other. This allows the tooth to move safely into a new position over time. Now, this process is predictable and safe when properly supervised, but it's also why teeth straightening takes time, needs careful planning, and must be monitored. Move teeth too fast or in the wrong direction, and you risk permanent damage to teeth, gums, and bone. So with that in mind, let's talk about how long treatment usually takes. So the length of treatment depends on how complex the problem is. For mild misalignment, treatment might only take several months. For moderate cases, it's often around 18 to 24 months, and for severe cases where the bite, jaw position, or facial structure is affected, treatment can take 3 years or more, sometimes involving different stages and different appliances. This is one reason why a proper assessment initially matters so much. So now that we've covered how teeth move and why treatment does take time, I just want to pause briefly. If you've had braces, aligners, or any form of teeth straightening, especially if you're happy that you went to a professional, please consider sharing your experience in the comments section of this video. What surprised you, and what would you tell someone starting this journey now? And if you're currently considering online or at-home options, again, you're very welcome to share your questions. These conversations, I feel, can really help make others make safer decisions. So now let's look at the main teeth straightening options, starting with the more traditional treatments. So the first are traditional metal braces. These use brackets and wires to gradually move teeth into position. They've been used for decades and they remain one of the most effective options, particularly for complex cases. In terms of advantages, they're very precise and they're suitable for severe crowding or bite problems, and they work for children, teenagers, and adults. Now, it's important to consider that they do require regular adjustments, careful cleaning, and they are more visible, but modern options can be more comfortable than those in the past. Now, the second option are clear aligners such as Invisalign. Clear aligners use a series of custom-made removable trays that gradually move teeth. In terms of advantages, they are discreet, they're removable for eating and brushing, and they're ideal for mild to moderate alignment. But they must be worn for around 22 hours a day to be effective, and they are not suitable for all cases. Again, discipline really matters. The third option are ceramic braces. Now, these work like metal braces, but the brackets are tooth-coloured or clear, so they are less noticeable, but still effective. Now, they can stain more easily, and they are usually more expensive than metal braces. The fourth option are lingual braces. These are attached to the back of the teeth, making them hidden from view. In terms of advantages, they're virtually invisible from the front and they can treat complex cases. But they can be uncomfortable at first, slightly harder to clean, and they also require specialist expertise. Now, there are also self-ligating braces. These braces don't use elastic bands to hold the wire in place. In terms of advantages, there is reduced friction, fewer adjustments, and sometimes a shorter treatment time, but this will vary from person to person. They can be more expensive and they aren't always significantly faster for every patient. Now, there are also retainers. Now, retainers don't straighten teeth, but they are essential after treatment. They help to maintain the results long term. So if you've straightened your teeth, wearing retainers will help keep those straight teeth in place, but they only work if you actually wear them. Teeth can move back surprisingly quickly without them. So now let's talk about at-home teeth straightening kits, which are heavily advertised online. These usually involve a home impression kit or scan, a remote treatment plan, and aligners posted to your home. Now, in terms of advantages, they're obviously convenient, they're often cheaper, and they can work for very mild cosmetic adjustments, but there are some serious considerations. In many cases, there is no in-person examination. There are no x-rays to assess roots and bone, and there is limited ability to detect gum disease, bite problems, or underlying jaw issues. Now, teeth may move, but not always safely or correctly with this option. So this increases the risk of gum recession, loose teeth, bite problems, long-term pain, and damage that may be expensive or even in worst cases impossible to reverse. And that is why seeing a registered dental professional matters. Now that we've covered most of the options, this is the most important message of the video. Teeth straightening is a medical treatment, not a cosmetic DIY product. You should always seek care from a registered dental professional, ideally an orthodontist. Now, in the UK, dentists and orthodontists must be registered with the General Dental Council, or GDC. Now, you can check if a person is registered at gdc-uk.org. In the USA, it's important to look for registration with a state dental board or the American Dental Association. And if a company cannot clearly tell you who is responsible for your care, what their registration is, or how complications are handled, then for me, this would be a red flag. Now, this video is not sponsored in any way, and I don't have any conflicts of interest, so I want to give you a word of caution about online advertising. Adverts online are designed to sell, not to assess whether something is right for you. Many use before and after photos, they use influencers, or they use time-limited discounts, but your teeth, gums, and jaws are unique. What worked for someone else may actually be unsafe for you. Quick fixes and life hacks for straightening teeth can, in the worst case, cause tooth decay, cracked teeth, infections, and severe pain. So if something sounds too easy, then the old adage that it usually is comes into play. So I would say that teeth straightening can be life-changing and very positive, but only when it's done safely, ultimately slowly, and with professional oversight. There is no single best option. The only right option for you is one based on proper clinical assessment. So if you're considering straightening your teeth, this would be my advice. Get assessed in person, check professional registration of the person who is going to be straightening your teeth, and be very cautious of marketing promises. Your future smile and your long-term dental health are worth protecting. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with someone, leaving a comment in the comments section, and why not check out this video next.